This is the instruction video for GreenFx. So we're going to go into Premiere Pro. And we're going to create a new project. And we're going to call this GreenFx. And we're going to go and choose a location in our documents. And we're going to create a new folder and call it GreenFx. And we're going to choose that folder and click Create. And we're going to go File, New, Sequence. And we're going to keep all this and call it GreenFx. And we need to import two videos from stock videos, Room 31. And we're going to stock video. And go get the two videos that start with green. So green screen, hold the command key down so you could pick both green screen action and green screen anime. Click import, or do them one at a time, it's up to you. Okay, so the green screen anime has these things that you can pick from. And the green screen action has all these things to pick from. So you're going to pick 3 of these. Okay, so let's see. I want to start with this one here. So I'm going to mark my in. Okay, mark my out right when I'm in the mouth of the dinosaur. So I'm going to drag that to my timeline, put it on video 2 because it's a green screen. Okay, then I need to go up to here to effects. So you have to go to the effects. Up here the workspace is effects. And in the effects search, I'm going to put ULT for Ultra Key. Drag Ultra Key on top of the clip, the green screen clip. And then I'm going to go up here to Effect Controls. Go to the eyedropper tool and click. Okay. Now I need to put a video under here, so I'm going to go to Photo Booth. And I'm going to switch over here to Video. And I'm going to click here. All right, stop that. And I can drag the video from here right into my timeline or into my imports, right? And it's 6 seconds long, so let me drag it in here and see. Okay, it's a little short. And actually, wait, before I do that, I actually want to double click on it. And on this one, I don't want the audio. Okay, I don't want the audio. So I'm going to grab, just drag video only, because I've got the audio on the green screen clip with the monsters making lots of noise. So now, I need to move that more over here. So first of all, I need to stretch out my clip so it matches the length. If it's too long or too short, I can change it. I'm going to go to this tool here, click and hold over the ripple effect tool or edit tool. I'm going to go to the rate stretch tool. I'm going to go to the front end of this and I'm going to extend it, right? Okay. All right, and then there's a couple things I need to do. First of all, on my video screen, my video, the one I did with Photo Booth, I need to go up, click on it, and then I'm going to go up here to Effect Controls, and I want to zoom in so I can get rid of those gaps on the side. All right, and also I'm going to go up to the green screen, and you see this fuzziness here? Let's clean that up. So on the when I click on the clip and I'm in the effect controls, I've got my Ultra key settings. I'm going to twirl open matte generation and go to this pedestal, and it's a scrubby key. So I'm going to go over the 10 and I'm going to click, hold, and drag it until that fuzziness kind of goes away. See how that goes away? And that just cleans up the green screen so it's a little bit better. Now let me click play. All right, so I want to do that 3 times, so 2 more times. You need 3 clips where you make use of the stuff that's in one, the things that are in either anime or action or a combination of both, and make yourself a video. When you're done with all 3, click on the timeline, go up here to File, Export Media, and want to click on the link here and make sure you're going into your Documents folder at least, or even maybe inside your document. Well, just go into Documents. It's good enough. Click Save. So you're going to have greenfx.mp4 in your documents, right? And then you're going to click Export, and you're going to submit that video. So you have to give me 3. Just remember, there has to be 3 of these things, not just 1 like I did. But you have to repeat the same instructions 2 more times. So you give me 3 of those. Submit it to your Schoology assignment and put it on your video page. Yay, these are cool. Have fun.